Office of Language Access, overseeing New York State's language access services for millions of New Yorkers with limited English proficiency.
New York State. Language Access Law and Statement on Federal Executive Order 14224. The Federal Administration issued Executive Order 14224, designating English as the official language of the United States in March 2025. On Monday, July 14, 2025, the Office of the Attorney General released guidance on implementing Executive Order 14224, suspending language access operations within the federal government. Click on Read Statement to learn more.
There are millions of New Yorkers who do not speak English as their primary language and have limited ability to read, speak, write, or understand English. The Office of Language Access provides critical oversight and coordination across New York State agencies to ensure that statewide language access policy, which Governor Hochul expanded in April 2022, is implemented efficiently and effectively. The Office of Language Access is part of the Office of General Services, which also supports New York's language access policy by maintaining the state contract through which agencies are able to access vendors that provide interpretation and translation services.
Your language access rights in New York State. New Yorkers speak more than 800 languages. To make sure all New Yorkers can access government services and benefits, no matter how well you communicate in English, Governor Kathy Hochul signed New York State's language access policy into law and created the state's Office of Language Access. Click on Know Your Rights to learn more.
Under New York's language access policy, agencies must provide interpretation services in any language and translation services in the top 12 most common non-English languages spoken by limited English proficient New Yorkers.
New York State Language Access Directory. Find key information about state agencies providing language access, including language access plans, language access coordinator contact information, and translated documents web pages. Click on View Directory to learn more. New York State Language Dashboard. This dashboard seeks to better inform anyone looking to better understand the New York population who speaks a language other than English at home and has limited English proficiency. Click on Language Diversity in New York State to learn more. Community engagement and collaboration. Learn more about the Office of Language Access Outreach Plan, services and resources for community-based and nonprofit organizations in New York State. Click on Community Engagement to learn more. View Language Access Resources. Browse various language access resources, including the Your Language Access Rights in New York State brochure, our American Sign Language Interpretation video series, the Person First and Identity First Language Glossary, and much more. Click on Browse Resources to learn more. Click on The Power of Language to learn more.